Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing my makeup inventory. So if you're interested in seeing my numbers of the products that I own in my collection, then just keep on watching. I should probably preface this video saying that I won't be doing a makeup inventory in 2021. It is an interesting video. Look who I have here. Look who I have here. Look at this. Look at this beast. Look at this beast. She's biting me as well. Ah, don't bite me. But you know, it is an interesting video, but I don't think it's for me. I like keeping track of, you know, of my makeup. I like using up my makeup, but I just think it's kind of boring. So this is the last video in this series. You won't be seeing anything like this from me anymore, unless I change my mind, but I doubt it. Okay, so let's talk about face primers. So my goal for December 2020 was to have 10 face primers. Now if I'm looking down at my little notebook, but as of today I still have 13 face primers, so I didn't reach my goal, unfortunately. So moving on to foundations, my goal for December 2020 was to have 8 foundations, and as of today I have 6. So I've definitely exceeded my goal and I am super happy about that. In terms of concealers, my goal for December 2020 was to have 8. As of today I have again 6. I am so excited because I did not expect to use up that many concealers, and you know, I'm quite happy with the number. Moving on to face powders, my goal for December 2020 was 2. As of today I still have 3, but I am this close to finishing up my face powder. Let me just show you. This is how much I have left, so not too much, and I think by the end of the year I will definitely have it out in my collection, which is great. Then in terms of brows, my goal for December was to have 8. As of today I have 9. So again, I'm close to my goal but not quite there yet. But I'm also very close to finishing one pomade, which I think I will finish by the end of the year, thankfully. So I'm very, very close. Look, she loves this crocodile, and it also squeaks. Oh, and she took it away from me. She loves it. I have to have her on my lap because we just went potty and she is kind of crazy, so you know, I better have her here. Okay, let's talk about eye bases. As of well, my goal for December 2020 was to have 2, and as of today I still have 2, which is great. I'm keeping up with my goal. In terms of eye palettes, my goal was to have 25. As of today I have 26. Now I bought my fiance bought me the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette, and this kind of, you know, brought it over, but I'm fine with that. I have no problems with that. In terms of single shadows, my goal was to have 3. As of today I have 4 because I received 1 single shadow in my Look Fantastic beauty box, so you know, oh well. In terms of pigments, my goal was to have 5, and as of today I have 2 because I've actually decluttered. I've decluttered 3 pigments, so happy out. Then in terms of eye pencils, my goal was to have 15, and as of today I have 12. I know, I am so happy with my numbers. I'm just, you know, slowly rolling and using up products as they go, and I'm super happy about that. You know, I kind of like keeping inventory of my collection because it keeps me accountable, but it's not that interesting in a video, I think. Anyway, moving on to liquid liners. My goal for 2020, for December 2020, was to have 5, and as of today I have 5 liquid liners. In terms of eyeshadow sticks, my goal was to have 3, and as of today I have 2. So you know, I am below my goal. Then for liquid shadows, my goal for December 2020 was to have 6, but as of today I have 8. I think I got 2 liquid shadows in boxes throughout the couple of months that, you know, since my last video. Happens, I guess. For mascaras, my goal was to have 2. As of today I have 4, but 3 of them are unopened. I usually only have 1 mascara opened at home and 1 in the office, but because I don't work in the office anymore, I don't know when I'll be working in the office again. You know, I just have 1 open. And then in terms of face palettes, my goal for 2020 was to have a 9, and as of today I have 9, so you know, I was consistent with my goal. Okay, let's talk about bronzers, creams and liquids. My goal for December 2020 was to have 2, and as of today I still have 2. Then for powder bronzers, my goal for 2020 was to have 5, and as of today I have 5 powder bronzers. In terms of blushes, liquid and cream blushes, my goal for 2020 was to have 2, but as of today I have 4. I had received 2 in my boxes. Unfortunately, one of them is very close to finishing, which is great, so hopefully I'll do that you know, early on in 2021. Then in terms of powder blushes, my goal was to have 13, but as of today I have 15. I did receive a couple of them in my boxes. Then in terms of cream and liquid highlights, my goal for December 2020 was to have 4, but as of today I have 3. So I think I used 1 up. Either use 1 up or declutter 1, but I think I used 1 up. Then moving on to powder highlights, my goal for December 2020 was to have 8, but as of today I have 9. So I'm close, but I'm not there yet, unfortunately. Let's talk about lip balms. My goal for December 2020 was to have 10 lip balms. As of today I have freaking 16. I used 2 up, but I still am over my goal, and in July, or I think it was in August or September when I filmed the last update, I had 13, so I still got 3 more. Fucking crazy. Anyway, for bullet lipsticks, my goal was to have 18. As of today I have 15, and I want to keep it at that. I don't want any more bullet lipsticks. I want to reduce that number because I personally am not a fan of bullet lipsticks. Then let's talk about liquid lipsticks. I love liquid lipsticks. My goal for December 2020 was to have 20. But as of today I have 16. Unfortunately I had to declutter some because they had gone off, so that's what you get when you have a large collection. Now I think I want to reduce that number to a couple, just a couple of my staple liquid lipsticks, and you know, use them regularly, but we'll see how that goes. For lip gloss, my goal was to have 10, and as of today I have 9 lip glosses. I actually used 1 up. I used up the Clinique one recently, and that has brought my numbers down. Okay, in terms of lip liners, my goal for December 2020 was to have 40. However, as we stand today I still have 41 lip liners, so I'm very close to finishing a couple of them, so hopefully I'll be able to do that soon. Then in terms of setting sprays, my goal for December 2020 was to have 5, and as of today I still have 5, and I'm super thankful for that. Okay, so let's talk about numbers. The overall numbers of products that I have in my collection is 251. My goal was to have 248, so I'm just that much off my goal, but it's not too bad, honestly. It is, I'm quite happy with the numbers because they have definitely decreased. In January I had 277 products. and now I have, you know, used up a lot, and I have decluttered a couple, so the numbers have definitely gone down, which I am super thankful to myself and, you know, to keeping me accountable. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, that is it. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.